Hi everybody and welcome back to Aquascapes. As some of you are aware, it is 1 week to the day until the big event at Aquatics. I'm really looking forward to it and I'm looking forward to meeting you all there. I believe there are a few tickets still available to purchase for the day. Throughout this video I'm just going to take you through a few of the aquascapes that I've previously done in my studio and this one here in the house. So I hope you enjoy the video, but also on the day I'm going to be taking a few t-shirts and mugs, see how they go down, see if it's worth me purchasing any more for people to buy and promote my brand basically. So again, enjoy the video and I'll see you all soon. Here's a aquarium that I've completed this weekend. I shall do a few close-up shots of it shortly. I hope you like. It's just dragonstone, load of epiphyte plants, a monstera, peace lily growing out the top, and there's a few stems being planted from the 1-2 grow pots. Glass is a little bit dirty, still settling in. It's only a few days old, so again, I'll do progress videos of it. I hope you enjoy it. This is a larger aquarium. It was a marine tank. It's an ungrown project. It's maybe going to be going for a few months. We've got a lot of plants yet to come. There's sprays fitted to the aquarium as well, just to keep some of the aquatic plants nice and damp out of the water. So this is going to be quite a long project. I think there's a bit of a waterfall coming down the centre here, you might be able to see on screen. I'll try and get a few better close-up shots, but again, like I say, this isn't the finished article, so keep watching and I'll update you regularly on it. This aquarium is just here basically to grow some stem plants on, to house a betta and some orange shrimp. So there's no CO2, it's just your standard superfish 45 scaper and lighting. There's just a internal filter fitted as well. So there's a few stem plants in there from the 1-2 grow pots and moss with a bit of leaf litter I've just got to sort out. So again, as this grows in, I shall update everybody. Beautiful betta in there. This is a little 30 litre superfish aquarium, a little cube. Again, it's fairly new. There'll be a lot of progress in this aquarium as it matures a little bit. And as you can see, I'm just about to start using aquadip products for my plants, and I am still feeding bluewave aquatic fish food as well. I shall do a few close-up shots of this aquarium. Again, I hope you enjoy.